with a lot of heavy heart, we had to finally hit down the streets with our students to convey our concerns to the concerned department about the issues that we have been facing. Our children have been consistently bearing the burden of lack of civic sense that people have around our school area, and we have raised many concerns with the BBMP department. We have done our formal complaints to AEE KB Sandra Award. Um, I have requested the local leaders to help us clear this space. Lot of issues. A bad stench. Sometimes the civic workers burn down all the garbage, and this also kind of causes a lot of breathing issues for our children. We have children from age of 5 years onwards, so it's a big challenge for us to manage this school. Just not our school. There are many other schools here that are facing the similar kind of challenges. So I request the concerned department to take cognizance of this matter and have this intense cleaning drive done here and secure this place, and also penalize people who've been constant offenders of dumping the garbage here. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಪರವಾಗಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಪರವಾಗಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಕಾಪಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ನಮ್ದೇ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಮಾಂಟೆಸರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ another 100 meters away there is another school, Becon school. So I would like everybody to come forward and help us get this place cleared, so that everybody breathes healthy and lives healthy.